Alright, my Pentair intelliChlor is putting out a white flaky substance into the pool. The chlorinator is 3+ years old. I've had to clean it once a month recently as it's building up a deposit, resulting in it not working. I'm thinking the unit is failing. I had a high salt level, 5,900 parts per million, until I drained some of the water from the pool. Now it's at 4,000, but the chlorinator is having problems. Could the high salt level have damaged the chlorinator?
Yeah, I'd say 4,000 is still too high, but especially if you're having a constant buildup, I'd be looking at the rest of your water chemistry as well. I'm guessing that your levels are pretty high, just as far as your hardness and alkalinity and whatnot. So I would take a look at those, make sure those are in check. I would also, I think Pentair did change their ideal salt level to like 3,600 or something. More often than that, I run them around 3,200, and